Kaizen here. Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been posting that much, but it is what it is. I will try posting more. Um, right now, I'm trading with Tradeify. To mention Topstep, I think I'm kind of done with Topstep for the time being, simply because of their platform. There's been at least two or three accounts that have messed up. I've either blown or not really blown, but I blown the account or I failed the evaluation because of Topstep X platform and I cannot do it. There's been time like literally for the last 2 months. Out of the last 2 months, they've had something wrong with Topstep X the last 2 months. Every single week. And there was two or three occasions where I was in a trade and I couldn't close my trade in profit because of platform bugs and issues. And then there's been two times where I completely blew my funded account because I could not close my trade because of Top Step X platform issues. So I'm kind of just done with it mentally and just kind of separate from trading Top Step X. So now we're on the Tradeify and I got to figure my way out around Tradeovate. But anyways, here are my charts. I marked this up, I believe Saturday. I marked it up on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. We have these resistances up here. We have support down here. I used the white lines when they've been broken through a couple times. Um, these were used as support before, so I marked it up, and as you can see, it became resistance, and we had this huge sell-off. And then we have two. We go to 4 hour. We have two areas of support down here. So price may jump up. I think I'm done trading for the day because Tradeify has the trailing drawdown or whatever, and it's just not good for me as far as trading because I like to get accounts over with. But I am using their plan where you could do daily payouts. All right, so let's get straight into it. So we have Tradeovate right here. As you can see, my P&L is 1,300 on the day. I'm trying to get used to trading Tradeovate. It's extremely hard, or not really extremely hard. I can't see my the amount I'm gonna make on my TP and the amount I'm willing to risk on my stop loss. I can do it in TradingView if I log into my TradingView account. Right now it's on paper trading, but it's still kind of hard to see because I have to constantly go back and forth between seeing, okay, where's price at? Okay, now we may be looking for a buy if I wasn't done trading on the day. And then I have to come back here and or I'll enter my position on TradingView from my phone. But I think I'm gonna move completely to laptop or desktop and trading on Tradeovate. The issue I've been having with Tradeify accounts is if I'm trading on TradingView here, price is always lagging behind. And it doesn't matter how or when. It's always lagging behind. And I need sniper entries. So for example, even earlier today, if I can go to it. Okay, so these marks here marks the sell and then when I close the trade basically, right? And ideally, I didn't even get up here. I really got in right here, but I was trading on TradingView. So I got in around here when it broke uh, the low of this wick. But since it price had already lagged behind on TradingView, it ended up putting me down there. Had I been just on Tradeovate, I would have been able to get in. But Tradeovate doesn't really have a good mobile app. And if it does, and you know how to get to the charts on mobile app, please let me know. But today was pretty much an easy trade for the day for the most part. Oh my god, I hate these ads. It was an easy trade for the most part today. I have to get to 2,500 to pass this account, and then it's a what is it? It's a there's no activation fee. So once I get to 2,500 on here, there's no activation fee. I can go straight to fund it, and I did do the $1,000 daily payouts because that's kind of what I'm going to use this account for. So all I have to do is keep risk low and try not to trade on NQ as much because NQ is what usually costs me. But now that I know that TradingView kind of lags behind, even though I already knew that, but I didn't think it was as bad as it was. I thought it would have gotten better. Um, I know to come strictly to Tradeivate or whatever. Another thing, for some reason, I tried to install an app on Mac, and I don't know, it would just bug out sometimes. Like, it would load up and then it wouldn't like, it would just be a black screen on here. So I would have to use browser Tradeivate, and I may be milliseconds behind, but that time matters in trades, because if I get in here and prices already moved, it's over with. But that's it for the video. Just gonna start documenting my trading again, since I'm going to get more into it, because I've been busy with other stuff, other business stuff on the side, or I guess on the side. But that's it for the video. See you guys next time. Peace.